Studio Tropolite presents how to make Basque burnt cheesecake with egg. Some recipes don't apologize for being rich, they embrace it. The Basque burnt cheesecake with eggs, a dessert that's rustic, proud and packed with flavor. And the secret? Tropolite cream cheese, smooth, cultured and built for baking. Whisk together 3 eggs and 105 grams of sugar. Next, add 155 grams of Flexi Gold and 15 grams of corn flour. Whisk everything till silky smooth. In a separate bowl, take 350 grams of Tropolite cream cheese and whisk until soft and creamy. Add egg mixture and Flexi Gold blend into the cream cheese mixture. Mix it all well. Now add 2 grams of vanilla and mix it in. Pour this mixture into a parchment-lined tin. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, then increase temperature to 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once baked, cool at room temperature, then chill overnight. The result? A cheesecake with a molten heart and a caramelized kiss on the top. Tropolite cream cheese for the bold, the beautiful and the baked to perfection. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.